Fuck, I'm hungover. Fuck! What the fuck? Fucking asshole. Hey! The fuck's taking so long, you asshole?
But I don't know what to tell you. I get paid by the hour. I wait here and I wait for you. That's it.
Should get paid by the inch or how many dicks that go on your ass.
I'd be able to buy a better car than that.
Oh, you say my car's a piece of shit? I've seen the shit you bang. It ain't nothing better.
I'm just simply saying that I could have put better tires on that thing with what I got.
Continental's a good fucking brand. Fuck off.
Hey, listen, how's that air conditioning working for you in that car right now?
It's not working too great because I had to shut it off because you guys are taking too fucking long. I don't want to waste all the fuel.
Maybe if you had enough money from that zipper, you'd be able to afford the gas to put into it.
Hey, is that why I work inside an air-conditioned environment and you work out here like a fucking pig?
Yeah, exactly.
Fuck you.
You always think I'm a pig till you end up coming home and I'm the one
Oh,
in
your
wife's
wife
bed.
squeals like one. Fuck off.
Assholes these days, I tell you.
Get hot, I'm sweating. We get all sweaty into fucking work. Oh, fucking finally. Fuck yeah. Wait. What the?
No.
What the fuck? You. Hey! Ah! Come on, man. Fuck this! Fuck those fucking assholes, am I right?
Probably should tell them the road's out ahead.
Wait, what the fuck is that? What?
Fucking be here, got the goddamn road.
Fuck off, dude. I just went by that last asshole. I ain't gonna fucking... They let that other one guy pass.
No, fuck you. It's guys like you that make our fucking job harder. Fuck you. Road's out. Come on.
Oh, fuck. The road really is close. Fuck. Oh, boys, did I interrupt your little fucking card game? Get fucked, losers! Oh, fuck.
They never learn, do they?